the healthcare system, they tend to focus on us when we get sick. My name is Travis Rush. I'm a CEO and co-founder of Reperio Health. We developed the Reperio Health screening system to give people access to be able to do screenings at home. Your blood pressure, your resting heart rate, your BMI, relative fat mass, and then on the blood side, does a full lipid panel, which includes your total cholesterol, LDLs, HDLs, triglycerides, and then it also does your glucose.
My name is Matt Wallington. I am the CTO and co-founder of Reperio. It doesn't make sense for patients to have to go into a doctor's office anymore when we can run the same tests at home. The kit gets shipped directly to your house. You pull it out of the box, and within 30 minutes, you have your results.
The technology that Simplexity helped us build is the central communication hub for all of the medical devices that we use in our kit.
What we were looking for in a development partner is a company that has a lot of experience, not only building hardware and firmware-based devices, but also had experience building medical devices and specifically Bluetooth connected medical devices.
When we were looking to develop this technology for our kit, we talked to multiple companies. I think what drew us to Simplexity is, number one, the communication was very easy and accessible.
We felt that the team had a lot of knowledge after discussing our idea and our prototype with them. They were able to help us just in that very first discussion, improve on what we thought we were gonna build and kind of hone it down to something that made a lot more sense. Simplexity did a fantastic job of really helping us figure out the right set of technologies to ensure that we had a very low power device that also had enough battery capacity.
And also helped build the technology within the firmware side of the component to be able to monitor what's going on with that battery.
Simplexity helped us design a system that went from starting in 40 seconds to booting up immediately, and went from having a few hours of battery life to having several months of battery life.
We would definitely recommend Simplexity. The communication between them and our company and their teams and all the people on our team was fantastic.
Simplexity became a very quick, trusted engineering partner of ours. I would absolutely recommend Simplexity for any company that's looking to build any sort of custom engineering solution.
Simplexity, simplifying the complex.